During a sprint review, the customer requests new features that were not in the sprint backlog. What should the Scrum team do? Is it A. Add them immediately, B. Place them in the product backlog, C. Reject the request, or D. Update sprint backlog? The correct answer is B. Place them in the product backlog. The Scrum team should not alter the sprint backlog mid-sprint. New requests are documented in the product backlog and prioritized by the product owner for future sprints. This maintains focus and commitment to the sprint goal. A developer struggles to complete a task and asks for help during the daily Scrum. What is the correct response? Is it A. Team members discuss solutions after the daily Scrum, B. Scrum Master provides a direct solution, C. Product owner assigns another task, or D. Extend the meeting for problem solving? The correct answer is A. Team members discuss solutions after the daily Scrum. The daily Scrum is focused on progress and identifying impediments, not problem solving. Issues raised should be discussed in follow-up conversations with the relevant team members outside the daily Scrum. A stakeholder demands a fixed scope and delivery date in an Agile project. What is the best response? Is it A. Agree and fix both, B. Negotiate to fix time and cost, but keep the scope variable, C. Refuse the demand, or D. Freeze scope, but allow time to slip? The correct answer is B. Negotiate to fix time and cost, but keep the scope variable. Agile values adaptability. Fixing time and cost while keeping scope flexible ensures stakeholders get the most valuable features first while protecting delivery schedules and budgets. Midway through a sprint, a team member suggests improving the definition of done. What should happen? Is it A. Implement immediately in current sprint, B. Consider updates for future sprints, C. Reject changes to avoid disruption, or D. Ask the product owner to decide? The correct answer is B. Consider updates for future sprints. The definition of done should remain stable during a sprint to preserve consistency. Improvements can be agreed upon in the retrospective and applied in future sprints, ensuring clarity across the team. During a retrospective, the team identifies recurring delays caused by unclear requirements. What should the Scrum Master do? Is it A. Document and move on, B. Coach the team to improve backlog refinement, C. Escalate to senior management, or D. Remove the product owner? The correct answer is B. Coach the team to improve backlog refinement. Backlog refinement is the process of clarifying and prioritizing items. The Scrum Master helps by coaching the team and product owner to collaborate more effectively, reducing delays and improving sprint readiness. A product owner consistently misses sprint planning meetings. What should the Scrum Master do? Is it A. Remove them from the role, B. Remind them of their accountability and coach them, C. Ask the team to plan without the product owner, or D. Escalate immediately to leadership? The correct answer is B. Remind them of their accountability and coach them. The product owner is responsible for prioritizing the backlog and guiding sprint planning. The Scrum Master supports them by reinforcing responsibilities and helping them engage with the team effectively. The team completed all sprint backlog items earlier than expected. What should they do next? Is it A. Start new items from product backlog, B. Take time off until sprint ends, C. Improve quality or technical debt items, or D. Extend sprint duration? The correct answer is C. Improve quality or technical debt items. When the sprint backlog is completed early, the team should not change the scope. Instead, they use remaining time to enhance quality, refactor, or address technical debt, strengthening long-term value. During sprint planning, a senior manager pressures the team to commit to more work than they believe is possible. What is the best response? Is it A. Accept the demand, B. Negotiate scope based on team capacity, C. Ask Scrum Master to decide, or D. Increase overtime to fit work? The correct answer is B. Negotiate scope based on team capacity. The Scrum team is self-managing and only commits to work they can realistically complete. Negotiating based on capacity ensures sustainable pace and avoids burnout while maintaining delivery reliability. A stakeholder complains that progress visibility is lacking in the Agile project. What is the most effective solution? Is it A. Provide weekly status reports, B. Use information radiators like burn-down charts and Kanban boards, C. Schedule daily meetings with stakeholders, or D. Email detailed updates every day? The correct answer is B. Use information radiators like burn-down charts and Kanban boards. Agile emphasizes transparency. Visual tools provide real-time visibility into progress for stakeholders, making updates accessible without the need for extra reporting or meetings. In a Scrum project, the team repeatedly fails to meet sprint commitments. What should the Scrum Master do? Is it A. Extend sprint length, B. Coach the team on realistic forecasting, C. Reduce sprint goals permanently, or D. Allow partial delivery without review? The correct answer is B. Coach the team on realistic forecasting. The Scrum Master helps the team analyze past velocity and capacity to set realistic goals. This improves forecasting accuracy, builds stakeholder trust, and supports a sustainable delivery pace. If this helped clarify things for you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and drop your PMP exam-related questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck.